Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That's a dry with mead and black paint canvas with a chalk circle in the center. I used a roll of tape to draw around. I checked it from all angles and it looks pretty good for a change. I'm going to use some of this mead and paint again, just as something that's going to help other paint flow. And then I'm going to add a whole lot of other paint. I'm not sure what's going to happen, but I'm going to make some kind of burst. And I'm going to start with some Chantilly lace. And I'm just going to keep going around in a circle until I get what I want. I've got some deep amethyst. Chantilly lace is a Prizm pour. I'm not sure that I should put a line of every kind of paint because I might wind up with just way too much paint. But I'm going to try and evenly disperse colors that I like. And I'm probably going to add a double dose of jasmine. Jasmine's primary element. I said that the amethyst was a Prizm pour. If I didn't, I am now. Oh, that is not open. Well, we'll take our tweezers that are on my Amazon link and make sure it's open because I can't do this without the jasmine. And there I have the plug out. I'm getting faster at this. Let's see if I can get it back on again. Come on, there we go. Let's double dose it. I wasn't going to use Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, but I love how it looks with the jasmine. So I'm going to give it a shot and get it out of here. I've got another plug bottle. I've got Decoart Americana 24 karat gold with Floetrol. I have 2 pairs of tweezers. It'd be nice to have the second set right now. And I got the plug out. I am so fast at this. Oh! Well, I got most of it, evidently. I'm going to put that right over that black. I don't expect there to be any perfect circles in this. This is one of the new Fairy Tales Primary Elements. This is Burmese Red. Let's make sure my tab is off the top. To be combined with Amethyst Queen, another Fairy Tales primary element. And put it away. I'm going to throw a little bit of this saffron in there. Kind of craving the Royal Sapphire, but I got myself out some Frozen, which is in both are Prizm pours. This one's a little bit plugged too. I've been using these a lot. Yeah, no regrets. Double dose it, in fact. So I'm wondering what should be left, and I've got some sour lemon with orange crush mixed into it. I'm waiting in the wings, standing by, and I've got some Mystique. I like using, like, the Frozen and the Mystique aren't so far out of the same family that they don't actually just go well with each other. And I'm going to have to be careful now that I've got, where am I going to put this? I often think that the colors closest to the surface are the ones that show up the best, so. Now I've got black cell activator and I've got some Indian Spice Prizm Pour. And I'm going to just start with one of my smaller acetate tools, which I may wipe off as I go along. And I may put spirals in this too, is what I'm thinking. Maybe I'll just do that without the gold at first. That was always my intention, was to, I need a scrape dish, was to snake them out. And I will go back, like I said. Why would I put that away? I'm going to learn pretty quick how much I can do with this. I'm going to use a straw. Break that surface tension. I'm kind of wondering if I should drag it up first into those colors. And I'm hoping that I'll always have enough color dripping off my acetate tool. This is going to be tedious if I have to. Well, we'll just let that develop and keep scraping, and I'll just use less cell activator because I still think it's going to be pretty cool. Maybe I haven't been blowing it out well enough. Or maybe I haven't been squishing it down enough. But maybe if I just keep moving along, I can deal with whatever occurs after the first few tendrils have had a chance. And I can certainly steal some paint if I want to make those tendrils more intensely colored, and I kind of do. I'm not sure why I went so far in there, but I probably am going to fill in most of that circle, is what I'm thinking. I'm going to wipe that off. I could have just given myself a little dish of colors. Maybe I will. Let's see how that works. I thought I'd have some colors left in between anyway. That might be more than I can use. The ones on the corners I need to squish my paint with the cell activator a lot more thoroughly. Go back and steal some to finish the tendril. Just use the curve of the tool. I will put the video showing how to make these tools. Keep scraping. I am finding less is more. I'm not promising I won't use a basting brush or a skewer. Squish that out. Just a little dip. One more, and then I'll have to decide if I'm going to use a spatula or a skewer or what. It's still pretty cool. Let's turn it around backwards. I should have started with the corners first. There, I don't mind that. Kind of want to put some more stuff down in the ones that don't extend all the way to the edges. That's pretty cool. Maybe I shouldn't do anything to that. Maybe I should do what I was originally planning on doing and putting some spirals in there. I don't mind the odd. That's rough on that end. That's weird. The odd tendril might be nice. Might be as just as simple a concept as I originally anticipated. I could always put some dots out. I want more of a tendril. It's harder when the canvas is dry, for sure. Sorry, I'm quiet, I'm focused. I don't think it matters as much as I usually think it does if it's not symmetrical in the center. Although there is always the possibility of just bringing some more gold in there and making it more pleasing to the eye. I don't think it needs to be symmetrical, and I can't quite convince myself 100%, so I keep messing with it. Maybe a few dots will balance things out. I'm loving those colors. Those colors are outstanding. So there's a 20% off Colourarte coupon code near a 10% off Pixel Paint Designs coupon code. Pixel Paint Designs will get you Australian Floetrol. I wonder. Yeah, I can get away with that. I like it, in fact. Just little ones. Oh, that worked well. I'm liking everything about this. Including my little dots, which I might put some more of in the center since I have these lovely bright colors. Especially the jasmine. I might want to put some in here too. I'm not sure I can get away with that. Now if you have a mistake, you can always use, oh wow, what was that? You can always use a Q-tip. That was something that did not belong. Good thing to find it now. I am almost done. So what should I tell you guys? This is gorgeous. I love it. It's actually pretty organic too. The shapes are not too contrived. Which, there's nothing really wrong with contrived shapes. It's how the finished product looks, I think. So, what can I tell you? Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. I've got 3 minutes to tell you guys. I do sell my artwork, or I would like to sell my artwork, or I have sold my artwork in the past, and I'm hoping to sell some more in the future. Oh, I love that little tail on the end there. Maybe I can just continue that out. Yeah, I don't see any reason why not. Change the color up. Add a little flourish at the end of them. Did I forget any? Yes. I'm going to take a little more paint. Make sure that stands out. Hoping my head isn't completely blocking your view, which it probably is, at least to the side. So that's kind of cute and cool, and I love the gold. And there's nothing to keep me from adding a few more spirals here and there if I want, because I think they look very appropriate in there. And a few more dots. I could even fill the center. My sunflower looks nothing like an actual sunflower, of course. I could definitely add more dots. A lot of more dots. Here, there, and everywhere. Maybe not a lot more dots, but maybe some more dots. I even like the dots on the tendrils, obviously. Very much, in fact. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Where else? Where else? Where else? Yeah. I'm not sure what this is. This is kind of a mess right there. We won't worry about it. So if I zoom in, I should be able to share with you a shimmer. I'd like to be able to cover up my scrape dish and save that paint. Fortunately, I have a handy lid. Nice colors. If I need some more dots after you've gone, I'll probably do that. Nice. Very organic. Oh yeah, I love that. I hope you like it too. So thank you for the kind words and your comments to keep my morale boosted. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link. Please shop my Amazon link. My 2 books are there because they can and Unlimited Possibilities. Volumes 1 and 2 are the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. If there will be a tomorrow's video, I'm going to post fewer days a week starting shortly. My Linktree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist, Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group, Society 6, Legalist. If you'd like to see any of my artwork transposed on any of the products at Spring Clothing below the video that you see, or Legalist or Society 6, or Pixels.com, Fine Art America, just let me know. My paint pouring recipe is below Show More. Don't forget there's 20% off Colourarte coupon codes. I love you guys. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. You're probably gone already. Darn. Oh, you're still here. Cool. I love you.